Want to ease jaw tension and TMJ discomfort with a simple, productive routine? And this is the video. We'll guide you through a straightforward 3-step Gua Sha routine to relieve jaw pain and TMJ issues. Whether you're dealing with persistent tension or want to enhance your self-care, this easy-to-follow routine will help you find relief and relaxation. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Curious Caboodle, to stay updated with our latest content. Cleanse and prep skin. The first step in your Gua Sha routine is thoroughly cleaning and prepping your skin. Start by using a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup that could interfere with the effectiveness of your Gua Sha session. OPT for a cleanser with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin to ensure your skin remains soft and balanced. Once your face is clean, pat it dry with a smooth, clean towel. Avoid rubbing your skin vigorously, as it can irritate. After drying, applying a facial oil or serum to create a smooth surface for the Gua Sha tool to glide over is crucial. This not only helps to prevent friction, but also enhances the benefits of the massage by allowing for deeper penetration of the product into your skin. Choose a serum or oil that includes soothing and nourishing ingredients such as rosehip oil, vitamin E, or jojoba oil, which can help reduce inflammation and provide added hydration. Properly prepping your skin ensures that the Gua Sha technique will be more effective, allowing you to reap the full benefits of reduced tension and improved circulation. Apply facial oil or serum. Applying facial oil or serum is crucial in your Gua Sha routine, designed to create a luxurious and practical experience. After cleansing your skin, gently pat it dry with a soft towel, ensuring it's not too dry but ready to absorb the next layer. Choose a high-quality facial oil or serum tailored to your skin's needs. Look for ingredients such as hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin C for brightening, or squalane for its soothing properties. Begin by dispensing a few drops of your chosen product onto your fingertips. Warm the oil or serum between your hands to enhance absorption, and apply it evenly across your face. Focus on areas that tend to be dry or stressed, as these will benefit most from extra moisture. Gently massage the product into your skin using upward and outward strokes to stimulate circulation and ensure even distribution. The oil or serum creates a smooth, slip-resistant surface for your Gua Sha tool, preventing tugging or pulling on your skin. This preparation allows the Gua Sha movements to glide effortlessly, optimizing the benefits of lymphatic drainage and muscle relaxation. Enhancing product absorption ensures that your skin receives the maximum nourishment and therapeutic effects from the Gua Sha routine. Gua Sha technique for jaw. The Gua Sha technique for the jawline is an excellent way to relieve tension and promote relaxation in the jaw area, especially beneficial for those suffering from TMJ, temporomandibular joint discomfort. Begin by ensuring your skin is prepped with a facial oil or serum to provide a smooth surface and prevent dragging. Start by holding your Gua Sha tool with the curved side against your jawline. Gently apply light pressure and begin at the center of your chin. Move the tool along your jawline toward your ears using upward and outward strokes. This technique helps break down tension and promote lymphatic drainage. Move the tool in long, sweeping motions, focusing on areas where you feel the most stress or discomfort. You can use a gentle, rocking motion for relief, especially if you experience tightness near the TMJ. This helps in targeting deeper layers of muscle tension. Ensure that each stroke is smooth and deliberate, avoiding any jerky movements. Repeat the technique on both sides of your jaw for balanced results. This technique helps relieve jaw tension and contour and define your jawline. Regular practice improves blood circulation, reduces puffiness, and promotes a more relaxed, youthful appearance. Gua Sha technique for TMJ. The Gua Sha technique alleviates TMJ, temporomandibular joint discomfort and tension. Start by preparing your skin with a nourishing facial oil or serum to create a smooth glide for the Gua Sha tool, reducing friction and enhancing the effectiveness of the treatment. 1. Warm up. Begin with gentle circular motions using your fingers to warm up the area around your jaw and TMJ. This helps to increase blood flow and prepare the muscles for the Gua Sha treatment. 2. Gua Sha application. Take the Gua Sha tool, holding it at a slight angle to the skin. Start at the base of your skull, where the jaw and neck meet. Using light to moderate pressure, move the tool upward toward the jawline, focusing on areas where you feel tension. Make sure to follow the natural contours of your face and avoid applying too much pressure. 3. Targeting TMJ. To specifically target the TMJ area, gently glide the tool along the jawbone from the ear towards the chin. Use short, sweeping motions and pay extra attention to where the jaw meets the skull. This is often where the most tension is stored. You can also use small circular motions to address deeper muscle knots. 4. Rocking motion. Use a gentle rocking motion with the Gua Sha tool, especially around the TMJ area, for additional relief. This technique helps to release muscle tightness and promote relaxation in the joint. 5. Cool down. Finish the routine by gently massaging the treated area with your fingers, promoting relaxation and ensuring any released tension is entirely dissipated. Regularly using the Gua Sha technique can help alleviate TMJ symptoms, reduce muscle tension, and improve overall comfort. This practice soothes the TMJ area and supports better jaw alignment and function. Finish with a gentle massage. A gentle massage is the perfect finishing touch to complete your Gua Sha routine for TMJ relief. Start by applying a small amount of your favorite facial oil or serum to your fingertips. This will help your hands glide smoothly over your skin, reducing friction and enhancing relaxation. Begin with light circular motions around the jawline, focusing on areas where you might feel lingering tension or soreness. Use your fingertips to apply gentle, consistent pressure, allowing the warmth of your hands to soothe further and relax the muscles. Next, move your fingers upwardly along the sides of your face and neck, from the jawline towards the ears. This helps promote better blood flow and lymphatic drainage, removing residual tension. Pay particular attention to the TMJ area, using your thumbs to apply slight pressure to any knots or tight spots. Conclude with a few deep breaths and gentle stretches of your jaw to fully integrate the benefits of your massage. This final step enhances the overall feeling of relaxation and supports ongoing TMJ relief and comfort. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Curious Caboodle, for future updates. Thank you for watching.